Hi, welcome to the read-along of How to Catch an Elf. There are candy canes hidden on each page of the book. Can you find every candy cane?
It's Christmas Eve! Hip hip hooray! Yes, Santa's coming round. He's bringing toys to girls and boys in every house in town. Some kids have tried to catch him, but Santa's fast, you see. So they've set their eyes on a smaller prize, and now they're after me. I'm not my friend upon a shelf who comes each year and sits. No, I've got style and I've got grace. I'm the elf that never quits. Now, Santa's ready. Time to go. I'm sure your traps are scary. I'll do my best to dodge them all and leave you feeling merry. In I go to Emma's house to make sure all is clear. A tinsel net? Oh, that's just fun. I won't get caught in here. Jaden's trap cannot be missed. I think it's double-sided. He's got his spot on my naughty list. You bet that's been decided. Another house is filled with treats. These kids are getting smarter. I can't resist the candy canes. My job is getting harder. Santa slowly lowers me into a dangerous room. If I touch down, he won't just frown. There'll be a bonbon boom. Your Christmas maze is all laid out. My work's no longer cushy. I safely brought you all your gifts. But hey, you zapped my tushy? And now my radar's perking up. This next one's quite a chore. We don't yet know what lies ahead in this family grocery store. We run inside and get caught up in an avalanche of food. We've seen all kinds of traps before, but not to this magnitude. The dinner cannon burps and spits and shoots out ham and gravy. And then it follows with dessert? Please, Santa, will you save me? We tumbled down the waterfall above the Eggnog River. But Santa and I are an awesome team. Together we deliver. And now it's time for us to leave. Our night is nearly done. You tried your best this Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas, everyone.
If you're a mom, dad, uncle, or auntie, and you're looking for more fun read-alongs to share with the kids in your life, consider subscribing to Sweet Story Snacks and liking this video.